Imagine this, you're sitting behind the wheel of a car that feels like it was born to turn heads. The engine growls to life, a deep, throaty roar that sends vibrations through your entire body. You press the accelerator, and in an instant, you're pinned to your seat as the world blurs around you. This isn't just any car, this is the Chevrolet Impala SS 427, a machine that redefines what a muscle car can be. If cars had a personality, the Impala SS 427 would be the rebellious, fearless icon, the one that thrives on speed, style, and attitude. It's not just a car, it's a statement that says you don't just drive, you dominate the road. The Chevrolet Impala SS 427 isn't just a muscle car. It's a legend. Introduced in the mid-1960s, it quickly became a symbol of American automotive excellence, blending raw power, bold design, and a spirit of rebellion. It's the car of choice for those who refuse to conform, those who want the thrill of a high-performance machine without sacrificing the heritage and soul of classic American muscle. But what makes the Impala SS 427 so special? Let's take a closer look, because this isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece of speed, design, and innovation. First, let's bust some myths, because there are plenty of misconceptions about muscle cars in general. Myth number 1. Muscle cars are all about straight-line speed, not handling. Wrong. The Impala SS 427 is proof that muscle cars can be just as precise as they are powerful. With its advanced suspension, aerodynamic design, and track-ready features, it's a car that excels on both the drag strip and the racetrack. Myth number 2. Muscle cars are outdated and lack modern technology. Think again. While the Impala SS 427 is a classic, its engineering and design were cutting-edge for its time, and it continues to inspire modern performance cars. And myth number 3. Muscle cars are impractical and uncomfortable. Not the Impala SS 427. With its refined interior, spacious cabin, and surprisingly comfortable ride, it's a car you can actually live with every day. It's not just a muscle car, it's a modern performance machine. Now, let's talk about some amazing facts that will make you fall in love with the Impala SS 427 even more. Did you know that the Impala SS 427 is powered by a 7.0-liter V8 engine that delivers 425 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque? That's enough power to launch this beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.5 seconds, which was blisteringly fast for its time. And here's another jaw-dropping fact. The Impala SS 427 was one of the first cars to feature hidden headlights, a design element that added to its sleek, aerodynamic profile. It's not just a car, it's a piece of automotive history. But the Impala SS 427 isn't just about raw power, it's also about style. The car's design is instantly recognizable, with its long hood, short deck, and aggressive stance. The bucket seats, center console, and wood-grain steering wheel added a touch of luxury to the interior, while the dual exhaust system and chrome accents gave it a bold, muscular look. The design isn't just for show. Every curve, every vent, every detail is there to enhance performance. It's not just a car, it's a work of art. Think about the last time you saw a car that made your heart race. The Impala SS 427 is here to bring that feeling to life. With its bold styling, muscular lines, and iconic design, it's a car that demands attention wherever it goes. Whether you're at a car show, cruising down the highway, or pulling up to a stoplight, the Impala SS 427 is guaranteed to turn heads. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Now, let's talk about performance, because the Impala SS 427 isn't just about looking good, it's about delivering a driving experience that's as thrilling as it is unforgettable. The Impala SS 427 is powered by a 7.0-liter V8 engine that delivers 425 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, providing plenty of power for highway merging, towing, or passing slower traffic. The 4-speed manual transmission ensures smooth, responsive shifts, while the heavy-duty suspension and power steering provide excellent handling and stability. It's not just a car, it's a dependable, capable machine. But what really sets the Impala SS 427 apart is its legacy. For over half a century, it has been a symbol of American muscle, a car that represented the best of Chevrolet's engineering and design. It's a vehicle that proves you don't have to choose between power and style, between heritage and innovation. It's not just a car, it's a symbol of what's possible when you refuse to compromise. So, what does the Chevrolet Impala SS 427 mean for you? It's a reminder that you don't have to settle. You can have speed and style, power and precision, heritage and innovation. It's a call to embrace a lifestyle that's as bold and daring as you are. It's a car that doesn't just take you places, it takes you on a journey. Whether you're tearing up the track, cruising down the highway, or turning heads at a car show, the Impala SS 427 is a car that makes every moment unforgettable. But before you hit the road, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll join a community of car enthusiasts who appreciate the art of engineering, the thrill of performance, and the beauty of iconic design. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most legendary vehicles, and be the first to know about the latest advancements in automotive technology. The road ahead is full of possibilities, don't miss out. The Chevrolet Impala SS 427 isn't just a car, it's a dream. A dream that says you can have it all: speed, style, and soul. It's a car that doesn't just push limits, it shatters them. So, are you ready to experience the thrill of the Impala SS 427? Because this isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle. Subscribe now, and let's explore the road ahead, together.